Did you know that the average cost of a commercially prepared meal is about $13? Or that if you were to have that same order delivered, it will be around $28 once you add on the additional fees. Or how about this? On average in the food industry, up to 80% of food is partially cooked and then frozen to be fully cooked and served later. I'm no expert, but I am a consumer just like you. And that doesn't seem to provide much value to us as customers. The meals at Meal Prep Sunday goes for $11.80. And the return on value goes a long way. We get expert fitness calculations based on our weight, height, and age that totals our needed nutrients like proteins, carbs, and fats. This way, when we get our meals, the nutrition is geared towards our goals. The cooks who produce these meals are professional culinary experts that use the most cutting-edge techniques with state-of-the-art equipment that allows them to replicate quality time and time again. All of this is important because the meals are fully prepared and vacuum sealed, meaning you'll get the fresh flavor and texture you'll expect if you were to buy food commercially. It doesn't taste like leftovers because it's not. It's fresh food. One thing I appreciate is how the meal options change weekly. And with the ability to get up to 15 meals delivered that vary in cuisine type and technique, it's hard not to get excited when that delivery comes every Sunday. Not to mention, with all these meals at my disposal, I save time on commuting, going to the grocery store, and prepping, and I'm definitely saving on money up to $60 a week. It's a little surprising to me that the delivery is free. The thermal bags and the ice packs come at no extra charge. And no complaints here. That's the way everything is kept temperature controlled, which again keeps everything fresh. The 90-day training, snack plan, and training guideline, all free. And this has nothing to do with the food itself, but more so connected to my goals and where I want to be. Meal Prep Sunday is all about supporting your goals and even important causes that a lot of us find important. They're eco-friendly with their recyclable, reusable containers, reusable bags that don't go to waste, and everything is brought locally, so their CO2 footprint can stay conservative. I'm going to end this here, but the locally bought ingredients for me is huge. They buy local and hire local. So all the money going in and out the business is going back into the community, which is more necessary than ever right now. If you never tried out this service and been looking for the best time to try it out, there is no better time than right now. And to prove it, look at the screen. That's 75% off just for you. That's $2.95 per meal.
2, 3, yeah.
Sorry for the pause. Didn't think much else needed to be said. There is no deal like this anywhere else. Use code FIRST75 and see what you've been missing. Thank you guys. Hope you enjoy.